Is real estate wholesaling illegal in Chicago, in Washington State, in Kansas, in Philadelphia, or anywhere else? My opinion is no, it's not. It's not illegal anywhere. Now, I'm not an attorney, I'm not a legal professional, but let me explain, okay? If you read the laws, and I've read all of them, in any of these states, it doesn't say that wholesaling is illegal. It says that you have to get a license, you have to become a realtor, or you have to disclose that you're wholesaling property or whatever. So I've read nothing anywhere that said that wholesaling is illegal. Now, there are a lot of YouTube creators that like to make videos that are salacious, and they've got the thumbnail that says wholesaling illegal in Chicago or wherever. But it's not. If you read the law in Illinois, it just says that you have to go out and get a real estate license, right? Because again, they want their money, they want the piece of the pie, so they're not missing out on all these transactions. In the United States of America, we have contract law. And contract law says that when you sign a contract, you have equitable rights in that contract. You can sell the contract. And I think to make wholesaling just out and out illegal would conflict with contract law, right? So it's hard to say wholesaling is illegal, but it's easy to say if you're conducting a real estate transaction and you're doing this model of wholesaling that you need to be licensed, okay? So to all the people wondering if wholesaling is illegal in your state or your city, I've seen nothing, absolutely nothing to indicate that wholesaling is illegal anywhere. Pull up your state law and read through it, okay? You've got to educate yourself, and you've got to go through and just read it line by line, and it'll tell you what you have to do to be able to wholesale there. So in Philadelphia, it's, they want you to apply for a wholesaling license. In Chicago or Illinois, they want you to get a realtor license. In Texas, it's just about disclosure. I believe in Washington, it's the same thing. It's just about disclosure. So, it never hurts to have your real estate license to get, not to get around with, but to comply to the laws that they're putting in place. Another option is to use transactional funding. So you're actually closing on the property with funds that you borrow for a day or for 2 days. And then when it closes and your buyer buys the property, you pay the transactional funding back. So it's not technically wholesaling because you're physically closing on the property and then turning around and selling it to somebody else. So, it's not illegal anywhere, all right? Again, in my opinion, but I've read all the laws. Do your homework on your state, on your city. Just make sure there's no laws in place. If there is, just comply to them. Get your real estate license, use transactional funding, get local permitting or whatever you need to do, and get out there and wholesale, because I don't think there's any place in the country where you can't do it without just following whatever guidelines they put in place, okay? Wherever I post this video, I'll put some links below to licensing, to transactional funding. Get on your state website, check it out, and that's it for now. Talk to you soon.